Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So without further ado, let's start. Now, tap on Reels. And then, go to Profile. You can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on Your Activity. Next, tap on Interactions. Now tap on Likes. Right here, you can now see the reels that you have liked. So don't forget to hit the like button so that you can easily rewatch the reels that you like. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.